Hey, you looking for a new Christmas tree? Let me share this one here with you. It comes in 3 sections. You see right here, it has the bottom section. That part's going to go right into the stand, the middle section, and the top section. Very easy to put together. It's that simple. You just put it together. As you can see, it lit up as soon as I put it on. If you're looking for an easy to put together artificial Christmas tree, this is a 7.5 foot one here. It has 12 different light modes on it. It is super easy. You just put the 3 pieces together in the base, and as soon as you plug it in, it automatically works. Doesn't get really any easier than that. Here is the easy to step on switch that will change the different modes. You see it has where it can change from white to different colors. It has flashing, different speeds of that. It has all white lights if that's what you like. You can have all colored lights if you like. Now all you have to do after simply putting it together is fan out the branches a little bit more, put your ornaments on, and you are all ready for Christmas. And this is what it looks like when it's all fanned out, nice full looking tree. I really like this one. It doesn't show a lot of gaps or anything like that. It looks very full. It's a very nice Christmas tree. Now it's just time to decorate it.